Good morning. So today the topic is going to be blue. That's a big fish. So you may ask, why is it blue today, Christelle? I have a very simple answer for that. Well, not really. So today is the 29th of May, so it's the International Day of the UN Peacekeepers. So in French, it's La Journée Internationale des Casques Bleus. So casque bleu means blue helmets, and so that's actually how we call the UN Peacekeepers in French, les casques bleus, because of their blue helmets. It's sort of like the universal sign that distinguishes them from other armies. Because they're not really supposed to be an army, they're supposed to be a force to keep the peace. So yeah, today's topic is blue. And I am wearing all blue on my watch. So you see there I have 3 blue cars, but I don't like cars, at least not the modern ugly ones. Okay, so my question is, do you wear socks in your Crocs? Because I feel like naked feet in there is not nice. So our street signs in France, they are dark blue. Which color are they in the country that you are in? I don't know why there are police cars everywhere today in the center. I'm going to do one of those. We've got the European flag there on both sides. Here and there we have European, French and from Brittany, le drapeau breton. Got the blue of the police. Okay, so there is a barrage or something right there on la place du Parlement. So that's the parliament. It's just that there is a sensitive lawsuit or something at the moment. A really beautiful gate there. So it's nearly 10:30 and a lot of the shops are still not open, and some of them I've seen the little board on the doors, and they're going to open only in the afternoon. I think this was a game for kids. Donne-moi 2 sports de combat. So tell me, or like give me 2 combat sports. Yeah, the park is always so nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. My name is Christelle, I am French. I live in Rennes in Brittany in the northwest of France, and I like to explore around me, to explore France, to explore other countries. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.